This is guess the sound 3. Every three guess the sounds, there's gonna be like a little boss. There's gonna be like multiple sounds that you have to try to figure out in one video. So these are not YouTube shorts. So try to guess what this is. That was about 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. Try to guess what they are. For raising a can, again, me tapping the wall. I have this sign right here. I was tapping that, and I was tapping this rock on the wall. Yeah. So, yeah. Did you get any of those 4? You have to get at least half of them correct to win. If you didn't win, better luck next time.